In the heart of the Alsace region, tucked away where the borders of France and Germany once blurred, lies a place where the lines between fiction and reality dissolve entirely. This is Colmar. To the casual observer, it is a town. To the dreamer, it is a real-life fairy tale, a living canvas that feels as though it were painted by a master's brush and frozen in the golden hour of a perpetual autumn. Observe the architecture, the colombage. These half-timbered houses, dressed in shades of candy pink, sky blue and saffron, have stood as silent witnesses to 5 centuries of history. In the district known as Little Venice, the houses lean toward one another in a gentle wooden embrace, their flower-draped balconies reflected in the emerald pulse of the canals. Here, the rush of the modern world slows to a crawl. The rush of the digital age is replaced by the rhythmic dip of an oarsman's blade and the distant chime of the St. Martin's church bells. It is no coincidence that these streets feel familiar. It is whispered among travelers that these very facades served as the blueprint for a village in a movie. But unlike a movie set, Colmar breathes. It carries the weight of the Rhineland. To walk these cobblestones is to step out of the present and into the pages of a storybook. Every corner turned is a new chapter, every window box a testament to a culture that refuses to let the beauty of the old world fade into memory. As the sun climbs higher, the atmosphere shifts. The scent of fresh pastries, the buttery warmth of a Kugelhopf wafts from the local boulangeries, hanging heavy in the crisp morning air. This is a sensory pilgrimage, from the sharp mineral notes of an Alsatian Riesling to the vibrant colors of the covered market. Colmar does not merely ask for your attention, it demands your presence. It is a town where every cobblestone tells a story and every window holds a dream. We live in an era of steel and glass, of speed and transience, yet places like Colmar remain. They serve as a reminder that beauty is not lost. It is simply waiting in the quiet corners of the world, preserved in timber, to be beheld. Colmar is not just a destination, it is a promise that the fairy tales we knew by heart are real, if only we have the courage to find them.